Hi guys, in this review I'm going to review the Blaupunkt cordless leaf blower, and also I'm going to unbox it, and also we are going to use the 18-volt Li-ion battery 4.0 AH and the charger, the fast charger. Okay, so let me start with the blower. It says over here 18 lithium, 18 volt, and speed, the blow speed is from 200 to 220 kilometers per hour. Okay, so this is the, and it comes with it's made in Germany, and it comes with 3 years warranty, and it's 1.5 kilogram. Okay, so let me unbox it. And it has the battery. We have to plug in the battery over here, and it comes with another part that I'm going to connect over here. Just like this. That's it. And if you want to release it, you have to press over here as well. You see if there's only the manual. There is another part. Okay, there is another part over here, so I can put it here. Okay, so it's pretty long. And to turn it on, you click here, and that's it. And the battery comes here. It's very light. I can feel it's very light. And let me unboxing the charger and the battery. So this is the charger, right? Okay, now I'm going to unbox the battery. And the battery comes here, like this. So I'm going to plug it to the electricity and let it charge. And then I will show you how it works outside, how it works. Okay, so I will put it now in the electricity. Okay, so over here it says it takes for the 4.0 batteries, it takes 130 minutes to fully charge. Okay, yes, 130 minutes for fully charged, and now it's charging. And I will wait until it's fully charged, and I will show you outside how it's doing its job. Okay, so now I plugged in the battery. It's fully charged. The battery is fully charged. and I'm going to operate it outside and show you how it works and if it's efficient. Okay, let me start. Yes, it's working very fine. Okay, so this was my review about my new cordless Blaupunkt tool, and I hope you like it. And see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, guys.